welcome. I know that you are well aware of the work of this committee, but it's the first time that you have had the opportunity to join us. Welcome specifically Leader Bunting and Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, who is with us. And you are always welcome to come and sit in, even although we're about to finish our business. This morning we are joined by a number of members of the Integrity Commission, and I will deal with them just shortly. I just have to do some housekeeping business, and then we'll get back to the business of the day. Members would have noticed that you were given the minutes, that is to say the members of the committee, you were given the minutes for Friday the 17th of January 2025. They were circulated and I take them as read. On page 1, a reference made to opening remarks, nothing of consequence as it relates to the progress of the meeting. But on page 2, the meetings will continue, the minutes continue, detailing how we view the way forward and the fact that we intend to finish our deliberation shortly. Page 3 deals with matters arising. Specifically, you would recall Standing Order 73-3 that had issues that Senator Morris had particular interest in. Those were discussed and dealt with. And under new business, Standing Order 74, procedures in select committees, Standing Order 74-2, 74-3, 76-6, and went over onto page number 4 with Standing Order 74-7 and 74-8 and closing remarks. Can I have a motion for the minutes? Senator Caban-Gale, seconded by Senator Scott Motley. The only thing I would wish under the heading of matters arising is just to indicate that members would have recalled that we had engaged officers or members of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association who had been sent here to look at the procedures in Parliament. We had engaged them, and the clerk had further engaged them with a view to them offering some guidance in closing our deliberation on the Standing Orders Committee. I had indicated on the last occasion that I was of the view that we had passed any sort of assistance from the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, but members were of the view that if it was, that there was some offer that we should seek to take advantage of it. So I think that Ms. Lowe has engaged them, and at another meeting, I will move to determine exactly where we can get some assistance that may be of use to us. Now, I'm going to ask for a motion from Senator Fraser-Binns, which is seconded by Senator Apka Fitzhenley, to adjourn this meeting and then invite members of the Integrity Commission to address us. Those in favor? Oh, Senator Fitzhenley, you are no longer a member of the committee. So Senator Sinclair. Eh? Yes, Senator Golden Campbell. Those in favor? So this meeting stands adjourned.